So this man.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala they say it be like bicycle. This video when I want show una so when the thing go shock una. They see this guy evil man for life, my people. This man Jogodo about 400 women and pregnant women dey inside o. Even his own brother wife, his best friend were wife them. I been on something they use for them because this is they like they surprise me. How this man they do one to they sleep with different women, married women. Oh, I didn't get wife and children. Oh, didn't get wife and children. And they must even pull mouth for Igbola. Not be small thing, my people. Oh, wahala they say it be like bicycle. When me I see the video, the thing shockalize me. Anybody wey need them, una go contact me. I will give una. But before una contact me, una share the video. Let the video go viral because this matter is serious. Like, me never see this kind one before. I never see this kind thing before for my life. Like a man, they tire. That be get wetin in society wey in dey. Even president daughter he sleep with am. President daughter he use the Igbola take follow am. Married women, both the workers them. We carry them go toilet. Jogodo, they vandalize them. My people, this matter tire me. Oh, this one shockalize me. Oh, I never see this kind of thing for life. Oh, I'll put the video make una see. Help me to share this video, my people. Before una will contact me, una share the video. Because the video day, a day is Sarah. I will not tell need them. I will send and give una. So, but make una share the video. Wanna let the video go viral. You understand? Hey, before I go begin to share and give una. This one show.
And they say, what that woman they do behind you, you never know. Until they show you video where they give your wife doggy. Before you go, don't worry, you go cry. And I know the last comment of it. People say I know before, I will not trust my wife. You know that. Now, how they expose this man? This man supposed go serve. Suppose go serve because it won't destroy people's home, marriages, and people life and future. How they discover this man committed he was suspected of money laundering. You know that, so they could carry out investigation. They call the investigator. So during the course of investigation, they call visit the house. When they visit the house, like all this body where they fight financial crime, like all this EFCC, they visit the house. When they visit this man's house, they could discover a tape where they record women, over 400 women. Where this guy they record this where they knock them back to back, pregnant women they inside. Hey, so as I dey like this, I go see person wife wey get belle. My go see the entire even woman wey get belle. How woman wey get more people do. Woman wey get belle, person wife wey get belle, go dey attractive to you. That will not be wickedness and evil. Person wife wey get belle. Go dey attractive to you. Go say I go dey attractive. You go dey sexy for your eye. This guy bad. So when they come play over when they play the video, they come discover say. When they play the video, they come discover say this guy don't knock over 400 women. Check the link on the first comment. You'll see him. Maybe go watch the full video for Telegram. Young girls, old women, people wife, people children, even your old brother wife, the guy not a clear and he's at a stone bed. Even Solomon said they trek for hear this guy. The Solomon when Solomon hear the story of this guy, not believe the eye. Sure. See the way they knock this one now. I know if you post the full video, just watch this clip for here. See the way they knock person wife. They knock him. This guy people they do all these things. If they hear say person knock their wife, they paint the well. Anybody where they do bad things to people, once a year say that way they do to people, they do unto them. Hey, that go fit damage your life. As this guy did now say, call yes one man, they want background, they use the wife, they practice doggy. That go fit. God I beg you. When you go marry a woman, will be say at the end of the day, you will say this my woman is loyal to me. She not. I bet my wife is not like that. Me never go do all these things. At the end of the day, I go show you tape of where they use your wife. you say you dey wise. My woman is not like that. No. My girlfriend is not like that. They go show you video we another man spread her like this. You go cry at the end of the last comment of him. If you say I know before, I for not trust woman. Go watch the video for Telegram. Use the link on the first comment.
Wow, I got to London this morning. I feel very sad hearing the news that Bobrisky was arrested. That wasn't right. That's abuse of his fundamental human rights. And I'm going to personally write a letter to International Court of Justice in The Hague. This is not right. This is wrong. EFCC cleared this guy and they withdrew the charges. We were shouting then, why did you withdraw these charges? They said Bobrisky.
Baba, I feel say you join with the cause of this problem. Not verse. Maybe not totally, but maybe those people don't know where Bobrisky is. You posted and the bloggers carried it. The help you spreader. You will be celebrities are supposed to understand privacy. You don't post real-time location. Flight never come up from that. Honestly, outrageous. Outrageous. A flight might buy you to why you are posting, see who I meet on a flight to London. You even give location. Now they go look for the flight. We know you live in Abuja. You live in Lagos. They probably know where you are. And to know where that flight is, boom. It was taken out of the flight. What is it? This is just outrageous, to be honest. I don't think it's right. You as a celebrity that understand this protection and risks and all of that. And you did this? Again, outrageous. I'm boiling. It's not right. Flight will never come up for grant. At least you don't reach where you did go. The next day, you could do that. Like this morning now. See who I met on the flight. That's it. Nobody posts real time. Especially someone whose life is in danger. Do you get it? It's annoying me now, to be honest. I'm boiling. I'm livid. What's no? I understand. You understand these things. Me, I know say I no be celebrity. Anybody way too dey excited about social media and I want to come and I say you, let's post it. Don't near me, oh. No near me. Social media no dey bother me for body. Because these people and these things can break you and it can make you. Those risks not be where the person want for come the raise shoulder. Social media rain, they touch everybody. And if you fall meet you, it go melt your salt. If you just do, I'll go, see me. Even see me, let alone say you can't join my circle. Who you be? This is just not nice, I bet. No versa. The thing they all was son of me. What's me? I get a headache.